Hey there math explorers, today we are going to solve a magical equation. M power 9 plus m power 6 is equal to 36. We have to find the value of m. Yes, it looks like a bit complicated. We are going to break it down by step. M is our mysterious variable. Notice that both terms from left side share a common factor of m power 6. So m power 6 is take as common, then m cubed plus 1 is equal to 36. Let's divide m power 6 in both sides. Then we get m cubed plus 1 is equal to 36 by m power 6. Let's assume y is equal to m cubed. Then y plus 1 is equal to 36 by y square. Y cubed plus y square is equal to 36. Y cubed plus y square minus 36 is equal to 0. This looks like a polynomial equation. Let me check this equation by putting various values. First, with y is equal to 0, then 0 cubed plus 0 square minus 36 is equal to 0. So minus 36 is not equal to 0. Then y is equal to 1 cubed plus 1 square minus 36 is equal to 0. Minus 34 is not equal to 0. Then put y is equal to 2, then 2 cubed plus 2 square minus 36 is equal to 0. Minus 24 is not equal to 0. Put y is equal to 3, then 3 cubed plus 3 square minus 36 is equal to 0, then we get the 0 is equal to 0. We have got the one factor, that is y is equal to 3. Let's find another two factors because our equation is in the form as cubed, that is y cubed plus y square minus 36 is equal to 0. Here plus y square we can write it as minus 3y square plus 4y square. Then take y square as common, then y square into y minus 3 plus 4y square minus 36 is equal to 0. Then add minus 12y and plus 12y to the equation. Then y square into y minus 3 plus 4y square minus 12y plus 12y minus 36 is equal to 0. Then y square into y minus 3 plus 4y as common, then 4y into y minus 3 plus 12 as common, then 12 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then take y minus 3 as common, so y minus 3 into y square plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So discriminant formula is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 12. Delta is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 12. 16 minus 48 is less than 0. Minus 32 less than 0. Delta is less than 0. We get complex and imaginary roots, so we have got only one real root, that is y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3. But y is equal to m cube. M cube is equal to 3. M is equal to cube root of 3. Yes, we are done. Thanks for joining on this math adventure. Remember, the more we explore, the more treasures we find on the world of equations. If you enjoyed this covering mystery, then please like and subscribe.